Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, money down to the ground. Take what you take. And do what you do. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So if it's the first time watching this channel, do subscribe, like, and share. You know what I mean? So, alright, this is the first part of Cashless. That's the name of the movie. You know what I mean? So, and Sherry starred with some more people. So, you will see what I want. Now, part 2 of it is going to be on
the Shannon Tour experience.
Experience.
Shannon Tour's page. You guys can go over, check it out in the link below, and go check out part 2.
Alright, so this is part 1. Enjoy, and let's go. The second part next.
Welcome. This is my quarters. My nice little quarters.
Nice little bungalow.
No mind you look at you, Mr. and friend them love come over come play them now.
Alright. Okay, so how much room you have?
Room.
3 room, I say.
This year.
Alright, 3 room.
Yeah, nice. I'm going to take a look, man.
Alright.
I'm going to stay out of place, come out of place, because I'm go back up with my father.
Alright. You can see that one.
It look good, man.
Yeah, but it looks like everything looking harder. The room them look modern. Everything
Yeah,
up
it
to
look
date.
good. Yeah, man, it's true.
Okay.
So I'm going to say I don't want to because enough people want to go to me. So we want to take from my hand too.
Yes, Shan, like, this is it, you know. We say we need to make an investment for the future, so might as well.
So you take it, man.
Yeah, right.
How much is the fee?
Alright, so you can give me one. Give me 17.
Alright, 17 mil. So here we only can afford half of that, you know. So that would have been about 8.5.
Yeah, man, you can go and pay though. You know, you
Yeah,
can't
man.
pressure nobody.
Yeah, 8.5 now, and then
And
we
then
work
take
out
time
on
and pay down your side.
a payment plan.
Yeah.
Right, that's
So
all.
me all do upstairs for your house and something.
Alright.
So we can send him money, we can do the transaction.
Online, yeah, man.
Send
You
it.
can send it online. You give me info. So you
Alright.
can send it online.
Yeah, man. So make your father more serious business.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Up. That's right. Yeah, so that's
Everything in
everything.
info. Okay. Alright, let's start you, man. Now we are come back here.
Alright. Take care.
Yeah, man. Alright.
To do business.
Yeah, man. Up,
Yeah,
up.
man.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Yes, Father. Get that off of my hand.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah. What? No, it's not a scam. It's not a scam. Hello? Hello? Hello?
What going?
Oh, go on. Come on, I'm there. My friend, I try chop you. No.
So somebody chop? Eh?
Yeah.
Worry about hello. Look here. And that me really come over here to talk about still.
Yeah.
Me and say I know. Me quit the job when me had the front teaching. Me quit it because imagine if me alright, then give me around 10% per me pay from the strike how we did the pan.
Yeah.
And me tell them say this not gonna work because me day at school I work out myself. I teach them tough it picnic day. And me I collect them a little bit of money day a month 10 time. Me not in a hit. So I tell them say not gonna work. So I quit the job. I collect. When I collect and quit the job.
So different from that. Did you watch the news?
Which news?
After the them take it so hard for going to look at pay raise. You know, see then every politician raise them pay. Because the prime minister has to get 9 million, no man get 22 million. So if you should get 8,000, now you feel get like 16,000. Alright, so if you get 80, you're supposed to get 160 and now. So yes, it's one-sided. Yeah. What are they doing that's more important than you? Every man is equal. Exactly. And everybody have them work for them. And every work play them part.
And me I work hard.
And the work, you teach people them that they can come become politicians same way. And come become prime minister and all them things. And they not value you as a people. This is what I've been telling you from a long time. I tell you, come work for me. I'm a papa, but I can make more money than...
You can't work for yourself much.
No, listen now. You see, one thing beat me is your education. So see me they have education. Alright, just turn me your boss for 2 months and see me turn over things here. Because there's a new things coming where them coming, we call it cashless.
Yeah,
something.
me hear about that.
But even now,
yes.
some nigga on your food. Crazy! You see if I can read and write? I have a one laptop. You know what I mean? When I can load up some money for make it look like money on one card.
I must have an IT teacher, so you hear me know what you're talking about.
Alright. Alright. So I have a card, right? And it's an overseas card. So I go load it.
Alright.
Like you do $5 to $6 million. And grow in the island and buy 2 vehicles. And then we go try, after a while we go try buy land from people and sell it back before they know.
Oh, cashless.
So yeah, so we go put the money in an account, and when the money go in an account, you take it back out.
But I know said I go fade away.
You go fade away. Yeah man, I said to me attack, the fade away cash something, yeah man.
You remember say you asking man, I'm a teacher. That not go fit me.
You are the teacher, but know about IT and something there. I know about how to thief things. Because I learned from the bigger heads them. I watch them on television, no news don't miss me. You plug in for the news like so. I don't understand what myself so I look so. So right now, may go do some work. So go try, you buy one car for yourself, me buy one van for myself, and we start from there so. Alright?
Well, me think about it though, because I not really jump to it like that. Because I left from teaching to thieving.
Tell her one I think though. You see, you're a teacher, so do the maths. If you have $10 today, and when you go into the supermarket, you have to go spend $5 to buy food, how long would that $10 last you? So make up your mind. So you see, before you're done the last money we have, you put the money in the safe at one place, and we get some money we have with cashless. Put it on cash at one place. I know the much general way, you know. Cash is the only way you can secure yourself. Because if it's cashless and the machine go down, you can't get no gas.
True.
You understand? If it's cashless and your phone battery dead, you can't go do nothing at all. Listen to me and say to you. Yeah. So then can't fool like with the cashless system, but since then carry come, can we use advantage because them who give you a cashless system, them go use it for thief we. So if we can start thief with it first, it better we thief the people them more than the big guys them thief them. Tell the truth.
That's true.
Because we are get thief, so make it better we thief and we then than them thief and we.
So like I a teacher. I'm here the student.
Alright, so you know that we go do.
Alright,
so just think about it in the morning, check me early. Me have a laptop, where a man will just go up on the laptop and start program something. Start link 1 2 car dealership, we get 2 vehicles go and drive. We start live free.
Yeah, alright.
Free! Like we are in the country.
Alright then, well,
who are the people them slave already? Let me ask a teacher. Who are the people them slave already? On the plantation, no compensation.
Yeah. So
and now one more piece of slavery them a try to push it through, we can't manage it. can't manage it. Because them a teach you, what them a teach you is what put we here where we are now. So you might have to think about it.
Yeah, some of me have to do some link about
I'm morning
tomorrow.
early.
I will think about it.
Alright.
Big up yourself.
How long the house have you done?
Yes, Miss Brown.
I said everything ready for we.
Yeah, man, yeah, I'll be here with Tony.
Alright. So,
Yeah, man, this house
thank
style
you very
is
much.
here now.
Yes, we
Yeah,
got
man.
keys.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Thanks again.
Thank
Thanks again,
you.
thanks again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Enjoy home.
Yeah, alright.
Where's that key? No?
Sam, so the keys to your phone.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
This is lovely.
as we say, our business and our Airbnb will get up and running right now.
And if she said upstairs have space, we can start moving upstairs too, you know. We
Yeah.
can put on a couple more room for the upstairs.
Alright, that is our next step, yes. But first, we could get there what? 3 rooms, she said, but a 4-room share. We could get there 4 room here working, start rent it out, and start pick up some money right now, man. So, we have to start figure out now how much a night. But we did talk about that already, and
Yeah, man.
we need somebody now.
We need somebody to clean the place.
Which is
So,
right.
I go and call one of my sister in them and make sure, see if she, you know, available, can come start with you.
Yeah, man, because we need a housekeeper like right now, and be dust and little things we need to clean up and make the place ready for business, right? Alright, give thanks. Ready. Let's find the rooms.
I don't know the room until we
Alright, we did love the one there from before.
Yeah.
Alright.
I see house. I see quite a few unfinished house, but I see no green and white house. I never right road me dip on. Alright, I still a walk. Me a look. Alright then. I'll go and look. Me come back if we still not see.
Hey!
What's that? Lucky enough, just there and come back now.
I know the streets, my girl.
You are walking.
Welcome to our new home, Alia.
New home. Yes,
Yeah.
new home.
After this now, what is over?
Girl, go buy the place. And the business are going on.
Better? And you want to come help her with it. I want somebody to come clean out the place. I know say you want a little work, you know. So we are saying, you know, exactly. So we are saying you can come, you know.
See, as I say, we have some cowboy for some little bit on that.
Yeah, people
Enough
don't work
work.
about the care please.
I own them today, they did not see us. Really and truly, we can clean you. The place will look nice because it's still modern and thing, man. It's up and running.
What the hell, all rag?
Yeah, everywhere. We need all our way. Have to go put our hands together and clean up the place.
Much room.
Alright, so we have 4 room where we go rent out and 2 so that's a 6 total.
Oh,
Alright, right?
that's so nice, man.
So we're gonna start out with like a $5 grand a night. So anybody we know want a place, make them know say business ready. We're gonna get our business card them up and have a flyer them out and send them little ads them. So yeah, if I come on 1 night or 2 nights, but want the people them want to come for like a week and a month, you know, that's our business up and running. So
5 grand, I say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. 5 grand, right?
Yeah, man. 5 grand a night, man.
You hear some people talk about they want a place to book for another day, you know? But
Okay,
everywhere there, you know, it's like poor people don't really have money.
Exactly. And everybody want to go through.
And all of them the hotel that them to there and money.
Yes.
What? Some man done something, you know, some real charges them more carrying you to 5 grand. Can them go somewhere? But your wife there, yard, can't kill them.
This is a place, man.
Well,
That's
yeah,
just
man.
a start up. We welcome all of them businesses.
Some agree. See place now and
Alright.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
work and work come to it.
Alright.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Saying like me, you know, look too bad still, but when I talk to him, come like saying I have much sense. But here what? I got invite him up here one of the night, yeah. Pick him brain, see what it's about, because remember say we want to build up upstairs, you know. So if I can eat out a little piece, I wear my deposit week time, then maybe we better off. So
That sounds good, man.
that sounds good, not true?
That
Yeah,
sounds
man.
very good.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
I have to try any which way, you know, not true. Okay, business, I feel work.
Mm.
Yeah.
So you look like we get customer, yeah.
Yeah, always. Alright.
Bob!
Let's look welcoming. Alright. Evening. Yeah, man. 5 grand a night.
How much night you want?
3 nights more I spend.
Okay, alright. Go, Carrie, go show you around our room now.
Alright, you have a 15 grand?
You want 3 grand?
Alright, go. Yeah, man. Show me what I room.
Okay, alright, come on. You can't smell that one now. Alright, come. See. Yeah, man. So everybody has a feature here. Alright. Alright, so enjoy yourself.
Yeah, man.
All is well.
Yeah, back today did good. All our bills intact. So, yeah, we think so we're on top of everything, right?
Yeah, man, on top of everything, yes. But wait, today what?
Today on Wednesday. Oh,
You know, say my youth did my bridging around this, so they too forward out in the restaurant already, you know, from last night.
yes, the backside. No Saturday night didn't come. And today on Wednesday. How that slip way? Because we're dealing with all our bills them and things to the backside.
Let's go check him.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna check him right now. I'm making no sense. I have to come out of this.
Mom,
Yep. Yeah.
open the door, man. Come on, one bridging.
On Wednesday, you know. And I have a calendar.
When was that Wednesday?
Yesterday, this left by I want to go on.
I spend some more time, but I don't have no money. I don't have no more money. And I can't go pay no until weekend.
So if you don't want extra time, we can any contact with.
You need to check out, you know, right there. No, so this can't go on. We
I
can't wait
want-
till weekend.
I want a room for
I
rent.
don't know where to go.
You have to go come
I
out.
can't live.
That's enough of a problem still, you know, about
You have to go
that.
come out, Bob.
Yeah.
What is this? What is?
Bob!
What is?
No, sir.
It's alright. Make him go on. Make him go on. Come here. Right now, come here.
No, sir. I not miss this.
Right, I'm on the phone there. Don't worry, man. Baba right now. We know exactly who to call right now.
Make it call, cause we can't deal with the unruly customers here.
No, sir. Can you feel like say we're a woman? But it's alright. Me sure how much strength you have, man. Right now, I call my dog. Yo, my dog. Me you down our place right now. Yeah, down our new place. Yeah, man. Right now, emergency. And bring your thing with you, you know. Yeah, man. Madam, me. See there? Simple. Watch. Just sit down and wait. Just sit down and wait. Baba get it.
How about it?
Just the man I wanted to see.
What are you?
Yo. A room train there now, you know.
I want bridging room, so I violate.
Room tree.
Yeah, like an unruly one.
Can't walk around walk as I don't.
Yeah,
Right,
man.
this one.
Yeah, man.
Can't walk. Go through this.
Alright.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping.
Oh?
Housekeeping.
Keeping. Don't forget some good hospitality.
Yeah. Yeah. You big and bad now.
All this.
Big and bad now.
Pack up your things then.
Right now. Pack up your things in. Matter of fact, left the phone here too. Go on. Go on.
And even set back your eye them over here, so you hear?
Everything good.
Everything is good here.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Make sure they go outside and get them, you know.
That's something for you now. Oh, this man. What are this?
US.
Yeah, man. You're doing that, man.
What
Don't know, so I saw deal with it.
you mean? Yeah.
Alright. I don't realize I 1 week out of me gone already. I wanna have no customers since middle of April. How much in week that you know? Things don't look good.
Things don't look good at all. We have to come up with a new strategy, look like, you know. Because the little money we make off by 1 and 2 people and we come through, that not really makes sense. We have to go raise up the price them. Because you know, some people we pay if you price them high. Like rich people, we pay for things, you know. If it is that little bit of money fee, they're not going forward.
You know, so I understand what I said though for real. Because people with money, they're not going to come on one place so cheap. They might want to go a place where, yeah, the money kind of up there. So, yeah, Joe not going with nothing either from what they, you know, really and truly. I might blow up my phone about a week now, but that even makes sense. Me link him back. Feel like a chunk change now, do nothing. One day we could have done buy 2 cement so that we could have flash up a top, but nothing now go on. Up the need to go on. Work need to go on.
Remember, say your idea, you know, to put the last money what we have in this. The little money what we make what day, so we put the whole light in this. And we do it, and a little thing did that go on before, but we have to come up with a new strategy you know, because the man them not go on with nothing either. The man them used to invest a little here and there, nothing not really going, you know. So
That's true,
we have to
man.
come up with some new strategies, man.
I like the idea they were just mentioned still, you know. up in the price.
Mm-hmm.
I could try that. Maybe we need to up the price for real. Right now, make up flyers. Right
I'll send you out right
Send you
now.
out.
Start you.
Alright.
It's a good idea. Because look how long me can't work for free how long, you know. But through me, I know a friend still. But if we don't get good client, we can get big tip. Understand?
Alright.
So we can deal with it, man.
It's a plan then, man.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Make sure you put 100,000 per room, Panny.
You're mad? 100,000 for what? For one room?
Per room, yeah. But we just try it and see.
Nobody now put no room for 100,000.
Exactly like that, me I said too.
Man, no go punch, you know. Remember?
Make we try it, man. Make we try it. Make we just run it for like a week or two and see what happens. If it is that we don't get no customer, we can then drop the price. Well, make we try it. Not rich people so want to come 100 grand, man.
Alright, me understand what you say. It's risky, but we're not nothing to lose right there, so. And everything for gain if we get a client, so. I run it for a week or two and see what go on. Right now, I'm post it.
Hello.
Even.
Evening. You know, say I want to room me I look for my woman's birthday though. Cause her strong this a weekend and why best price me can get.
You know, say 100 grand for a room though. You know.
Price then raise now.
100 grand
Yeah, per night.
per night. Yo, that not gonna work with you, you know. Thanks. Now get somewhere else still. So hold on, how many get over here for 5 grand other day?
That I did the other day, price them raise, you know.
Things and times change now.
But alright, that not gonna work for me. A rich people alone can't rent them price there. Cause I don't know poor man price there now.
That's the idea, poor boy.
Well,
Rich people we need, you know. We can't bother with no little bad boy and make things there, you know.
One day we should have take the 5 grand booking for your weekend because a 2 day no 10 grand. Couldn't do no big meal.
We can't go back. We can't go back on that. We just say we're gonna raise the price. We have to make the people them know, man.
This is
Stick to it up there. Yeah. We have set it that way, man, and that way that we have keep it for 2 weeks then. At least.
Alright then.
Yeah. Stand by it, man. It'll work.
It'll work,
I'll pay
man.
tonight, man. That's
Know
what
yourself, man.
That's how business going on. Sometimes there are ups and downs, but we just come up with the idea and we know it'll work. So just keep the good time, man. Try. Hey. Oh, how going?
Me have some bad news.
Really? How going on?
Me have to find one different work, do you know? Me have no friend, yes. But remember me have some hungry belly picnic for you there, you know. And me have to feed them. And then you have enough. So, we 1 week now, no, we not get no client or nothing. So, you know, probably if anything work out in the next few days, me can come back or so off.
The way she walked come in there, I said somebody dead to backside. The way she did serious. Like, I just 1 week person now. Yeah, ready to give up already? Alright.
You understand still. You understand? We are say. It's been a week with it, so I give it about 2 weeks still.
A week. But a 2 week we say, you really ready to give up now?
And I say ready to give up, you know, but we have bills to pay same way, you know. So we have to go do something different. We have to go take it down. We have to go just scare back the price them to your regular price and just
Alright. Fine.
we gonna care about the price them to your regular price them and see what happen. But as we say, you can still go on home and we get a piece of money for going home with. And when a client come through, we give a call. I think somebody at the front, you know.
Yeah, that's what I got here.
You want to take a seat, somebody?
Yeah, man, check out him.
I don't know. Probably I want cheese clients to get a cup. Hello. Hello.
Good evening.
I may just speak with your boss. Yeah.
No, stay here so me come.
Look at us. Go and hope and pray. And hope for the best. Just a miracle.
One lady out here too, no?
Alright, Clara, come.
Should we come? Yeah, man. Alright, you can come. One lady.
Yeah, my hot girl.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Sean.
Okay, I'm Brittany. I'm Tori. Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Okay. Give her a chair. Let me give you a chair so you can
Yeah,
sit
man.
down.
Thank you very much. Alright, so what basically I'm here for is, alright, my boss, he need a place for rent, which he said, this place look amazing. But if I'm gonna rent the place, he want to rent the whole apartment because when in the here, no one, nobody knows in the here. See me? So I come to check out the price, how much for the whole entire apartment with no one here.
You understand that it's 100,000 per night per room, right?
No problem, but how much room do you guys have?
12.
12 room?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So 100,000 for night, you said?
Yes.
Alright, so that's 1.2 per night.
Okay, no problem.
But we can sort out a little discount for her.
No, my boss won't deal with discount. He rather to give tips.
Okay, even better.
Yeah.
Well, consider it done.
Okay. When is he looking to move in and how long is he staying?
Well, I don't sure how long, but I think it's tonight.
Okay. We can have all the rooms ready by this evening, right? Miss
It's
Ali?
a must.
Alright, that sounds wonderful.
That sounds wonderful.
So I will go to my boss and hear what he has to say.
Okay, alright,
I will meet you
definitely.
guys.
And it was very nice meeting you, Miss Whitney, and I
Nice
hope
to
you
meet
do
you
come
too.
through. We will be very happy to host you and your boss.
Yeah, man.
Okay. And his
Alright.
privacy will be our main concern.
Thank you.
Utmost.
Okay.
Alright.
No,
We know.
we just need to take it down, you know. You see what going on? Yeah, but give
More
thanks.
will come.
Yeah, we have to give thanks.
Yeah, but more will come when and if any other somebody come and have to cancel them and just say, you know, nobody knows them they're here and you want all I room them.
We're fully booked for
We're
now
fully booked.
until
Yeah.
whenever he's staying until.
Yeah, we
So-
find out that. How long you must stay?
And we take your say bookings and for afterwards we can set it now.
Yeah.
We're gonna set it. We're good enough. We're good enough. All you know you can eat. Yeah. Me can't say to the woman say a 12 room we have. And the room them no down.
My girl, me have to tell him. Because me the accounting room them were done and the one them were not done yet upstairs. And money we are pre now. Come on, they agree to it.
Well, we're gonna see if she agree with them. She come
Alright,
late. With them she come in.
Yes. Let's see. Hopefully she comes soon. Hopefully.
Hi guys, I am back.
Evening.
Alright, so basically I would like to see the rooms and boss say what I like to spend in 1 month based on how the rooms are set.
Alright, that sounds amazing. Come and wait. Show you the room.
Yeah, right now.
Alright, this way?
Oh, this is
Yeah, man, this way.
around here.
Yeah.
Alright, come here. Are they cool?
And it's very chilly. Yeah, because yeah, this don't work for me. Maybe not more one.
After you, go.
Alright. You got me to follow?
You like it?
Okay, so I will say out of all of the rooms I see so far, I think this one is giving.
I
Which
think
is
this is where
honestly.
he'll stay.
Yeah, he'll stay at this room.
Alright. Okay. Good. It's a good choice. It's a good choice.
So,
He's coming in today. You said
yes, tonight.
tonight. Okay. So how will you guys be paying? Cash or check?
I think it's check. Not sure, but I'll talk to him about that. Or
Okay.
you guys talk to him about that.
Okay.
Alright, no problem. Any special requests?
No.
Alright.
Just privacy.
Just
Straight through.
privacy. No one should know who it is.
You can ask a question like how old is your boss? A young man, old man?
He's not really old.
What's your boss name?
Fire.
Fire us. What do you move with him? Or like JAMMIWOOD and something?
Yes.
Okay, we're having a celebrity. Alright, now we understand. Now we understand why the privacy is important.
Nothing?
Yeah, man.
We love
Alright.
it. We love all movies them wanna watch.
Yes,
So.
definitely.
Yeah.
Alright, so we make sure that everything up to par, man. Alright.
Alright then, so I'll be on my way going. And I will see you guys back in the night because I'm coming. Alright. I am coming back with my boss. Alright. So you guys will see me. Alright.
Okay. Thank you for coming.
Alright.
Let's go, guys.
I said I don't need to speak as one. Like right now.
Alright. Yeah, let's see. We can go on.
Alright.
Sure, this place is safe.
Yes, it is safe.
Alright, you tell them someone don't want nobody more than me for the time being, right?
Yes, boss.
Because some people look for me, crowd me nobody residents.
That's a big boss.
Alright.
So, I already
So you
told
said the room nice, but not too fussy. Just
No,
normal.
it's
Feel like a
not.
yard me there.
Yes, feel like I am. Walk away.
Alright, so. Don't know them look weird, too much violence. Alright, so. Let me see what's going on. I know you're a girl with a taste, you know. You have a lot of taste. Alright.
Hi guys.
Good night.
I am back with my boss, as I said before.
Good night, ladies.
Good night.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Hi, pleased to meet you.
Alright, yeah, so I want to be on a low key, right? So then she tell you already.
We have everything done.
Everything's
I don't want nobody around the area. Just the cars. You tell me the cars already, you know. Baby thing that, right? So what I just want some room now. I just want peace and quiet, no noise. Because some meditation I go in our apartment, I don't want enough noise. Just relax. Just have a good time. Home away from home. Yeah, that is it. So
No problem.
you alright for now. I will call you in the case I want anything, right?
Alright, no problem.
Or you want to stay when I room them? What you want to do?
No, I don't know what you want to do. If I'm staying, I'm staying.
Last time you stay with me there, your man I called and ning and I did want to send two of the dogs them go and box him across his face. Because I don't like the miserableness and the watchy. I don't want you. You know what I mean? So I don't want him to watch yourself.
That's your embarrassing.
No embarrassed, alright. So let's
Alright, yeah man. No.
Yeah,
Yeah,
alright,
man.
you can come this way and we can bring it to the room.
You have any luggage?
I don't travel with luggage. Anything I want I just send go by at the same time. So I'm
Alright.
just travel with my Avan and I will towel because some people are watching and you can't find them, so don't move. When I move with the bag, everybody has said they know where you go.
Alright.
Okay. Sounds lovely. Right this way.
Alright, now look at microwave, look at stove.
Nice little kitchenette area. They have a nice little closet here. Another one over here.
Come on, only thing we need is a bed, you know. So,
But there's a bed, boss.
yeah, this is all. So that's all I need. So this is all. This one is very springy though.
Wait tonight.
It's very springy.
For whenever.
Alright, so I'll be here for a while. So we'll talk in the morning. Let me get some rest though.
Okay.
Alright, so it's nice meeting. Let me get the name.
My name is Shan.
Shan.
Uh-huh.
I'm Firewood.
Very nice to meet you, Fire.
Tori.
Yeah, I'm Firewood.
Okay, Firewood.
Yeah.
So, I was asking her earlier if you plan on paying with cash or check.
Oh, I pay with card. Just swipe the card, I will not everything to your account. Don't worry about nothing. Because
Lovely.
I could tap my phone if you have something to tap it on. What can I tap it on?
We can't, yeah, man. We
God,
everything.
she can do the necessary. She just said, she know my account, she just send it to her account. Simple mathematics.
Okay.
Because you have to have something for me to tap it on. Alright?
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Alright.
hope you get some decent rest and settle in, alright?
Alright, so look like nice place, pretty ladies. That's good. I'm just coming out of a relationship too, you know, so it's good to see some nice, attractive ladies. Not looking for anybody now still because woman burned me too much.
But you're single.
I'm single now because of what happened. You know what I mean? That's even why I'm taking the vacation, taking the time away from everything because what happened was not pretty sight. You know what I mean? So we just take the time off. She nothing no problem there, nobody needs no problem there. The first thing some of them far out. But she alone as a personal secretary, then I know so she actually and her working now. Neither so they see her move up and down, then still can't rectify and say, yeah, I told them I road. No. So she run the errands for me, more food. Most of the time I just call her, she get the food and bring it to me and anything more. So I don't want too much people. So like come soon have construction out the door. Yes, she tell us that would have to stop too. She would pay for that or whatever workmanship. So as soon as I leave, the extra money can help to your place, right?
That sounds lovely.
Yeah, man.
That sounds lovely. We'll make sure say everything is to your settings.
Alright.
You know?
Alright, so that is it. It was nice meeting you girls. Alright, I'm gonna get my night rest. If she want a room, get me to stay in one of the room them because since I booked the whole place already still. So.
Alright. Yeah,
If you want a room, I can get a room and stay
Yeah,
in there if you
man,
want.
this is...
Do not bring your man come here though. That boy not no manners. Yeah?
Honestly, you already told me so you don't want no.
Whatever you do not
Nobody's
make no man come here more than she.
Mm.
If a man come out the gate, make him turn out the gate, but don't make him come inside.
Alright.
Alright.
Got it.
Alright, so that is it.
Got it. Alright, so have a good night and we'll
Alright.
see you in the
So you have
morning.
hot and cold water?
Yes.
Alright.
Of course.
Alright, so that's good.
And do you want some dinner tonight?
Because we cooked together.
No, I don't eat. I don't eat at night. I don't eat. So I chill.
Okay, that sounds lovely.
I drink water. You have spring water here?
Yes, lots
So
of
send
it.
up a case of water for
Ah, send up a case of water. I prefer the one I blue jug them. When I blue, can you please jug them? Alright. Get one of them water for me when I drink. I don't drink a lot of different water. Alright, yeah, go. Go now.
Is there anything else that you need?
No, go now.
Alright.
That's good.
Good night.
Alright, alright.
See you in the morning.
In the morning.
Yeah.
Go be to the most side. Give thanks to life for chat. Thank you for us being here. Thank you for life. Thank you for making me blessed in a way that I can actually afford these things. If it wasn't for you, oh God.
Can you believe it actually happened? Oh, two of them settle down in their room now. Him in a female, she in a fair.
1.2 per night? Work that out.
I work that out right now. That is 36 million, call it 40 million.
Alright.
Isn't this what we've been asking for? We can't believe the idea work.
It have to work,
Can you believe?
It have to work.
Alright, we're gonna chop him a little bit rough still, but man,
You look like you can more than afford. You look like we could take more off of him.
backside. True, we are talking now. We just have to make sure we're staying comfortable and lovely place. Guys,
Yeah.
and first night, you know, we want to make sure we're stay for a month.
We want to make sure
We're going to ensure that.
Which is
staying
right.
Alright, so whatever we need to do, you know, to make you stay and be comfortable, we have to do that, you know, because right now with this money, the future set, you know.
More than a set, man.
Alright, so just go and be kind to me, man.
Alright. So you said by later, at least half of the money is supposed to reach in our account.
Alright.
Because we never start out everything, that's true.
Yeah, man, and she have it and she did a room on this, so first thing in the morning, we make sure start out the money. I can't believe it. He still pinch me. He still can't believe the backside. We make a hotel like a work, girl. From
We're going to be big
Airbnb.
hotel, man.
From Airbnb to hotel. Imagine that. Female bosses already asleep on top. We're going to on top. Know that. Well,
Yep.
Well, I'm going to go in my room though. I'm going to make a phone call. I'm going to go lie down a little bit. The one Joe blew up my phone for a when maybe me finally respond to him and set him straight.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, man. So I'm going to my room for a little bit. Make that call, yeah. Take long? No, man. He said, because messy, I'll be able in the fun. Yeah, you tell him say it done. You tell him say it done. I can't bother with it. He not do nothing for me. Come on.
That makes sense. You have money now, girl, and I need them anyways.
Then talk about when my eat dry. Now go look some water. I use the bathroom same time. Eh?
Okay, man.
Alright.
You know, so I feel like I'm going to go on my bed. Feel like I'm going to go on my bed. So, I'm going to wait for you to come from me.
Well, you can talk about it if you want, man. It's alright. You can later now. So, and the quicker we fall asleep, the quicker tomorrow come to get more money. So, alright then.
Yeah, man.
Text me if anything. Yeah?
Alright.
What's that?
It's Shan.
Give me a minute. I'm going to put on my clothes. It sounds like the rain is falling outside though.
It is.
Oh. I'm coming here.
Okay.
Sometime I may take a little time to come, but that is it. Come inside.
Hi.
Hi, good night.
Good night again. I can't say. I didn't mean to disturb you still, you know, you want to.
I can sit down, man. Sit down on the bed, that's how we talk. Yeah, you look very interesting, like a nice lady.
You look very interesting too. That's what I say, you know.
Yeah.
Just to see if we can get a minute with you before you go to bed.
Yeah, man.
Outside of the crowd.
Yeah, man, for real. So, I'm here. Nice place, you know, I'm do a good job, you know what I mean? I'm not to turn on TV or nothing yet, because I'm just a try. Well, I'm meds, you know what I mean? Been through a lot, you know what I mean? So, the brain, like you think, so when you're rich, you have everything you want, and things that work out the way there. The wickedest thing, and when you take up a poor girl now, and instead of she try build you up, she come to help you down, and she got cheat with a poorer guy who can't help her. She get up in the morning, she want things. She want a car.
And every woman know what they want.
And then everything what she want, I give it to her. And she sleep with the man who probably can buy her ice cement. So instead of strangle her and piss her, I'm sorry.
Just
I don't bother this her, but just dismiss her. You know what I mean? I say, oh, go on your ways, man. Go live with Mr. Poor.
Which is
you know what I mean? So that's what they say now, all the meditation and go on with the talks. Because I clear the mind, I don't really want enough crowd on me and thing, you know what I mean? But
there are better women in the world still, you know.
That's what my therapy tell me that, you know. I can go to therapy. She just calm myself down, call me up anger management so many times. So like best of me now. Back in the days I would get locked up. You know what I mean? It's like John, you know. Him give more away can bear. Cause back in the days I was tapping her neck and be like rough, but as time go by, you change and because you start you want to be a better version of yourself. And that's over there now.
I just wanted to make sure still, you know, that
I'm okay.
You're okay. You're doing well.
I'm doing good, you know what I mean? I love the place and it's a good vibration. I see your ladies that have a warm tendency, you know. And that's good, you know what I mean? It's good to have black-owned business, you know what I mean, to where the country is going. We have to secure some of this. So, when she tell me that it's two lovely lady and them black and they're running them business, so I have to support them. Because most of the time, black people don't get the right support. Yeah, man. I can tell you, because you know, when I was just starting my business, you know, I didn't get a lot of support from Jamaicans, really. You know what I mean? They don't like that. It's a crab in a barrel. Even my own family fight against I. You know what I mean? This is a war. Forget out and make my millions, them and make it. And I help some of them, but I help some of them.
The strongest people get in part this fight.
Yeah, man. So
that's always born.
We are winning. You know what I mean? That's it. I'm winning. So I just look fall with this look young girl, yeah. Really be fall, you know.
Just you're here now, so you know you take that off your mind.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm trying to do. If you
ever need any extra company,
yeah,
you can always just ring.
Alright, I don't have a number.
And we'll be here.
You have a phone?
Of course, I can give you my number so you can call me at any hours you please.
Alright, so I'll put my number on the phone because we're a neighbor, so if I can tell you the nearby. owner for the place still, but still, we can be close friends. Nobody have to know what we do.
Exactly. Nobody needs to know. I like we are secretive type of person.
Yeah, man.
You don't want nobody in your business.
Nobody
Because
wants
some
to.
me still don't want nobody in my business either.
Yeah.
If we do nothing, nobody don't need to know the show.
Yeah, man, that's a good vibration.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so.
I just came to you still to
Alright,
let
so.
you know.
I'm gonna be here tomorrow, you know, so tomorrow we can go further on in the Galamins. Yeah?
For sure.
Alright.
Alright.
So you're single though?
Of course. No layer otherwise.
Alright. If you're single, we can mingle. Alright? Hold a rest. In the morning.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, sleep well.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that, man. I honestly forget this mother book place. I sleep. I'm tired, man. No. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry about that.
No, good man. You're a woman and me a man. Nothing wrong with that, man. Come, you can sit down back, man, and talk. Come.
Alright.
Just there doze off, you know. Just there doze off. There by myself and doze off a while ago. So you know, when I come in this room, you can hide out.
Yeah.
I'm like how it by itself, you know, it just there on the corner by itself. Yeah, man. That's a good old hideout space.
Yeah, but just I get to the point still. Well, you know, you're there now, so we're home now. Me notice that, me know say girl work for you and thing, and look at secretary, but notice everything I want, if I even the water and the food business, you tell she if you sort it out. Well, I know say you can ask me anything I want, food place a day I know, me I take care of you.
Well, more than one is better than one. So, as long as I can trust you, because it's certain things I just don't trust people with.
Alright.
So, like I say already still, I might even spend the night and done then. I don't know. Yeah, relax, I'm not touch you, because right now, my thing not to wake up again, because we're depressed, you know, stand up again.
You sure? We can stay? Like,
Yeah,
that's
man,
not a problem?
Yeah, man, you can't stay.
Alright. Just say not trust people,
Yeah, man.
but
Yeah, man.
proof to you say you can trust me.
No, if it's around here, it ends out most of the time. It can't ends out like a... Yeah, man.
Alright. That doesn't sound bad. Yeah, can't believe I'm laying next to a celebrity.
Yeah, man, it's quite taken to go to work though.
Alright.
So, how has life been for you though?
A lot of work in these past couple of years, you know, since we get this place, but I give thanks still for what we have made and what we have done, you know.
Oh, so you want to build it and get it here or buy it?
Yeah, we're sisters. We did do some work. We got a foreign and thing and make a piece of money.
I want to buy it as is?
Yeah, we decided to invest into a little Airbnb place, and this is affordable enough, so we buy it.
Oh, I know now build up on top.
Yeah.
I like the progress. I like that. I like the progress, like, you know what I mean? Because of black people, we have to put our head high. You know what I mean? Because too much Babylon system has taken us down. So if it's just survive. I like how it won't just team up because unity has strength, you know what I mean?
Which is right.
Yeah, man. It's a good movement.
No, actually, 5 acre land we sit down for, you know, there's a river around, so one of them there you can take a try.
Yeah, man. I like that. I like the nature thing because we see it on the edge, say, on the river nearby. That's why I say I want good vibration and look too busy and not a crowded place.
Alright, so look like me can be a personal tour guide then.
Yeah, man. Nothing wrong.
Alright, that sounds
If I was in prime, I know, as I don't say I'm stand up so zips, but since the heart broke, I took it broke down so too. Maybe after I forgot about that though, maybe get back my own vibration.
okay.
Maybe go to the stress mood and now have a heartbreak, you know?
Well, I hope that I can help to ease some of that stress this time that you'll be staying with us. Come on.
I never can tell, you know. You never too late for sure, and
Rasta, we trust Rasta, you know.
yeah.
Build up some things and straighten up your body again.
Alright, so just do something. I'm gonna see what if you walk. You walk. I check and go do it.
In no time, man. You'll be ready
How
Hi.
you doing? You want some talking water about some? That was good.
That was.
Yeah. I never thought, I never think said that I'm not back, you know. When me had the bro, I never think said that I'm not back, you know.
Yeah. I say go after every heartbreak you have to come back, you know, because that's something you never feel like, say, me would I be okay again after me to get my heart broken, you know.
Is that, does it have to be like that? To everybody out of a break though?
Sometimes people just terrible, man. Like, let me tell you about my ex. You know, say, my ex had a whole next family where me never know about.
How you find out that?
How me find out? You know, say, you can't trail man and find out what them do. So, me did realize, say, like, every month, at a certain time, he ever left for like 2 days. Like 2 days straight, me not see him. So, me decide to me go, you know, follow him to see what I'm going with. You know.
Or you want to surprise him?
Well, I mean, end up
Are you
get surprised.
suspicious? Oh,
I mean, end up get surprised. Me did feel like there's something did go on, really, but me never sure I what. But never did think say this so big either. Like, you have 3 pitney. I want a whole next woman. The man have a different name. The man have a different house. Like, the man with me there try to breed for. That the man did not exist none at all. Like,
when I go away
different
there.
name and everything. So, whole different family. I don't understand how you feel.
So what you do?
How you think about if you do something like that to somebody?
When you find out what you do?
But it really hurt. Like,
So no, what did you do when you're up at the place? You confront him, you run that place, go fight the family.
no, I couldn't confront him. I don't stay so, you know, I can't fight, you know. I can't fight them.
So you come back down?
I come back down and wait until he come home. Because he did come back and go and like say,
Like, nah, man.
like, everything is fine. I
And
come back down
and
and
what
say,
you do? It sounds like you're doing something, you know. What you doing?
I'm not doing nothing, man.
You just put him out
I just cry.
and run him out. You run him out
I
or you
run
still
him out.
continue with him?
Yeah.
You continue with him?
No, continue with him for what?
No, because you
Yeah, me they think about it actually poison him, you know, but then I didn't want to have them slip on my hand.
Alright, well,
I'm not so terrible like them, you know.
I just lie. But anyway, maybe if him never do what he do, more to meet you still, maybe you know have this business the same way, maybe you're in a different place. You know what I mean? So, you wouldn't this a bed there now and give him that nice piece of love, like, you know? The best love I ever received, right? So,
There ain't things there we can do again, you know, the whole relationship type thing. That's why I like what we have going here, you know?
yeah, man, this is more of retribution, love making. It's all like we ever have is redemption, love. Yeah, just to get back
I need
from.
to have no strings attached.
Yeah, man, just have fun. Cause life is like that, you know. Fun is good, you know what I mean? And, you know, feel like more sleep though. So.
Mega got my own still. So,
Alright, so we link up in the morning though.
okay.
Don't tell nobody, you know. Alright? I'm going to put a icky fan in, but I know so then I wonder where you get it from.
No more.
You just say, boy, I must see bed bug bite you. Alright? Oh, on the still there. That is it, man. Glory be to the Most High, get and slide on down to the ground as we go along. To see what go on in the world. So the movie here does other sort of things. So my advice to my people them out there in the world though. Young ones we watch, you see if you're gonna choose a job, please become a politician, become a prime minister, become a finance, whatever, so that you can set your own price. Because this is history in Jamaica. See somebody raise them pay to 250%. Never see it yet. While the teacher a ball, everybody else a ball, and who a laugh, and who a flash. I would have strapped Jamaica a while ago. Scamming at the biggest level. I don't mean say so.
The world says so. So my advice, become a politician so you can make Jamaica better or you can mash up it like how they do it. But my whole take and everything though, please help Jamaica to become a better place. Not a place of hype, not a place of greed, a place of love. Because you movie them out, try to teach in the movie them. So it's not political, it's lyrical of we and what we need to look forward to. Better Jamaica for real. No more talk we talk about. Let's talk about better Jamaica. So let's go. You know what I mean? This way forward. If there's a Caribbean station out there who want a movie, link up. Because we're willing for work. If you have a product you want to advertise, link up as well. You know what I mean? As we talk about that, please, if you have a dream house that you live in one place, you have a dream house, you just married or not, no matter what, you want a different house, check out this person, go to our email address and all them things there, and tell her, say, I and I send you, call her up on the phone. The Gmos can be right around the corner. Who to tell? Miss Elliott, you know what I mean? Let's go. Burn it down to the ground.